how I get my dog and owner selfie photos. What I would use is a tripod and my Canon 60 with an 85mm Canon lens, which is a £200 lens. I've got 6 lenses for dog photography up there you can have a look at, which tells you all about the camera gear I have for dog photography. And what I will then use is my mobile phone to control my camera using the Canon Camera Connect app. I'll show you how that works. Okay, so I'll go to the back of the camera and I'm going to go to Wi-Fi. My Wi-Fi is already set up within my camera. I have my own Wi-Fi, which is Beck, and I'm going to enable Wi-Fi. So then I'll go to the Wi-Fi function. I'm going to connect to smartphone. Okay, so I'll go to my mobile phone. I'll go to the settings first and I want Wi-Fi. Great, it's already picked up Beck. I'll go to the Canon Connect app, remote live viewing. Now I am set up for taking a photo. Okay, this app, it is brilliant when it works. You will need loads of batteries because it eats batteries and your phone battery. And also, sometimes it loses connection. But when you get it right, it does work really, really well. Also, I'll add here, once you've taken all your photos, if you need somewhere to store, share or sell them, Smug Mug, I've got a discount in the description below for Smug Mug. Okay, now let me show you how this works. Okay, so on this app, what will happen is you can control everything. You control your shutter speed, your ISO, your aperture, your drive mode. I've got this on 2-second timer so I can just show you how easy it is to take a photograph. So you use your thumb to focus. If I press the button, it should, yeah, self-timer, 2 seconds. It's taken a shot. There is a delay on the mobile as well. So if you're wanting to take a photo of just your dog, what I do, sit down. All right, I'll probably have a, oh, you stay there. Stay. Get her in focus. I will stand away. If I click that self-timer, there's less photoshopping. We can come closer, but the camera needs moving. The camera needs to go lower because it's cutting her off. So what I'm actually going to do is come even closer. Sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down. Focus on myself. Sit down. Now if you really want to get the camera out, the phone out of the way, you can go for 10-second timer. Let's go for that. 2-second timer. There you go. Not very good. Let's try and do a bit better one. Let's go for 10-second timer. Right, you sit down. Stay. So it's pre-focused, it's on 10-second timer and you can hear that on the camera. Good girl. There you go, you hear the shutter go. And we have a photo. Now if you click on the little square at the bottom, you've got your raw files there. Yeah, your raw files there. You can see what the photo is, what you've taken. I'm going to set this camera up to portrait because it's on landscape at the moment and take a decent photo. Okay, so the Wi-Fi is acting up now, which is not uncommon with this, but it is, when it works, really, really good, the app. I've had so many good photos out of doing selfies. Now we might persist a little bit longer, we might not.